Hello, good evening. Well, I just want to talk about this sound that you're saying, and that is what? The vowel sound. I, I. Now, when you take a look at it, we have formation of words with the sound I. Now, number one. Let us pick the letter I sounding I and form words with it. Now we have I, then the letters that you see. Now when I pick I and T, I will have what? IT, and that will be it. If, is, and you can form if, and in. Now, let us talk about it because it is very, very important. You will hear letter I sound A, that it is no more I, it is A. So it means if I say IT, I will say 8, based on some people that are teaching stupid phonics now. IF will now be F. IS will now be S to them. Because E will now be A. Don't you know that it is stupidity? Because when you say if, F you saw him, like their own English, not even if you see him. It is if you saw him, give it to him. Now give will now be gave it to him again. Not GIVE, which should be what? Give will now change to give. I can tell you this is stupidity. I'm tired of some people saying rubbish when they don't know anything. First, I'm going to pause this. If